1. Agenda, a list of topics to be discussed at the workshop. What's on the agenda for today's tech workshop? 2. Breakout session, a smaller group discussion that is part of the larger workshop. We'll have breakout sessions after the main presentation. 3. Facilitator, a person who leads the workshop and guides discussions. The facilitator will introduce the new software tools. 4. Hands-on, practical activities where participants can actively engage. This workshop includes hands-on exercises with the new programming language. 5. Prototype, an early sample or model of a product to test a concept. We'll build a prototype of the app during the workshop. 6. Demo, a demonstration of a product or software. The instructor will give a demo of the latest version of the software. 7. Collaboration, working together to achieve a common goal. This workshop encourages collaboration between developers and designers. 8. Innovation, the act of introducing new ideas or methods. We'll discuss the latest innovations in artificial intelligence. 9. Brainstorm, a session where participants generate creative ideas. Let's brainstorm some features we want to include in our project. 10. Feedback, comments and suggestions for improvement. Please provide feedback on the tools we used during the workshop. 11. Coding, writing instructions for computers using programming languages. We'll spend the afternoon coding a simple application. 12. Networking, building professional relationships with others. The workshop includes a networking session for participants. 13. Session, a period devoted to a specific activity or topic. The first session will cover the basics of machine learning. 14. Tech stack, a set of technologies used together for a project. We'll learn about the tech stack required for web development. 15. UI UX, user interface and user experience design. There will be a session on improving UI UX for mobile apps. 16. Open source, software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance. We're going to explore various open source tools during the workshop. 17. Deploy, to release a software application to a production environment. We'll show you how to deploy your app to the cloud. 18. Debugging, finding and fixing errors in code. Part of the workshop will focus on debugging techniques. 19. Version control, a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time. We'll cover the basics of version control using Git. 20. API, Application Programming Interface, a set of rules that allows different software entities to communicate. You'll learn how to integrate APIs into your projects. Participant 1. What's on the agenda for today's tech workshop? Participant 2. First, we'll have a demo of the new software, followed by hands-on coding exercises. That sounds great. I'm looking forward to the breakout sessions. Me too. It's a good opportunity for collaboration and brainstorming ideas. Do you know if we'll cover debugging techniques? Yes, there's a session dedicated to debugging and another on version control using Git.